Hello everyone, welcome to ROS installation process video. So we're going to do first we will going to install VirtualBox, then actually run it in Windows, and then we will configure a shared configure system. So we will install a extension in VirtualBox which will allow us to share the folder and files, etc. And then we will install ROS in Linux in our VirtualBox Linux, Ubuntu basically, and then we'll make a TurtleBot, simple bot that will move forward and backward. So let's jump into setup process. So VirtualBox, we can just download the VirtualBox from this link. Go to VirtualBox installation and then download for or any host like Windows, macOS, Linux, whatsoever. Or we can just use this link, and then we can download this. Then we will need to download this extension for the share folder, and then we have to download this file. So we can either go to Ubuntu and then download the latest Ubuntu, or we can just download from this Google Drive. And for this Google Drive, we can see that it is 20.04.4. So this is VirtualBox version. So I have download everything like a VirtualBox and then extension and download everything. So let's install the VirtualBox. So here, just go next, and now I have installed the VirtualBox. So there, this is coming, but when we are going to first install, just go next, 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 and then we can install. I'm now uprooting this, and after installation, um, VirtualBox. Let's see. Okay, now I have the VirtualBox here, which has I have installed Ubuntu that version, but now I'm going to make another version. So I have downloaded this zip compressed zip file, 7jet file from here, and this link actually giving this file just 2.3 GB, and then I have extracted that here. But before this, we will need to install this extension pack, and just giving reinstall, it will just install this and go to agree, and then it will just install the whole package again. Okay, now just go to the Ubuntu which we're like extracted from here. It needs much time, 7.78, and then just run this file, and then you're ready to go. So we'll just power it up, and yeah, we can configure many things like go to settings and go to storage, the processor hardware. So we need to enable this first, and then we can do this later. Mm, so now it's coming. We need to wait. And the password is like just Ubuntu. I Okay, now it has come. This actually will save a lots of time because installing this Ubuntu takes many time. And then okay, let's just wait. Okay, location service and others we don't need to install for our this project. We can install this later. And now we have the whole things. Now we are going to need to have the shared folder or share the clipboard format. So first go to this. Mm, yep. Obviously don't upgrade now. Um, Software upgrade cancel and go to shared clipboard. Make it bidirectional, which will allow us to like copy paste from the Windows and others file. Like now I have this file here. I can copy this and then paste it there, which will allow our clipboard. And then we can configure the shared file like class here, then folder path, choose folder path, and then for now we're going to mm, make a folder named shared file and then ready to go. Okay, auto mount and then make it permanent. So this will help us to see the file here directly. We will have the permission, and for the permission we need to give it permission because it doesn't have the permission to write right now. Like we can create and delete other permission, it doesn't have the all permission. Okay, for this we will need to run the code here, this code sudo dot. Okay, open terminal and then done. Okay, so let's try again. Mm, we need to restart this and then we can see restart the machine. As you can see, restart, you need to restart the VM. So okay, Ubuntu. Now let's try again. Go now, all the problem gone. It's just one command. Okay, now let's see. Let's see the our clipboard we have configured and Node Plus. We'll see that later. Okay, now we are going to see the ROS installation, which our main purpose. So for this, simple, just open this terminal and then run the command. So I'll just copy this. I don't need to write whole the thing. Okay. Sudo update. See. Now, as we can see, this is updating our whole process, and It will need some time. Okay, let's read the process. Okay, we have faced a error that is like the problem when we are copying this, and then it will take like two lines. So in PDF, so we have made it from here. So we are going to just copy this, and we are going to paste this here. And now we send enter, and then sudo app update, and then now it's working. So be careful when you're like working with PDF, something like converting it, it will just make another line. So this may lead to error sometimes. Obviously, it's going to take some time. Okay, now installation are complete, and now we are going to uh, do the next installation. We are going to install curl, and we can just install the curl, and then yes, and it's working. Now installation is complete. Now our next we need to add this key on GitHub or GitHub. So just add this, and now we are going to click sudo update. So we have the sudo update already. So just update this. Now sudo installation is complete. Now we are going to need um install the ROS native text report. So it will require much time. So it depends on your system and your internet. So all you need to is say yes. You can see like 3 GB. You'll need it and download 672 MB from archive. So clicking yes and wait for some much time. Okay, now we are done with our ROS installation, and now what we're going to do is just add this before this here. Now here we go. So we have installed our ROS installation, which is complete. Now, like you can create a backup. So if creating backup is good, like sometimes it might be cracked. So whole process it feels so long. It might get like very bad if just it gone wrong anything. So I'm just power off this, and then mm, I'll go there. Let's wait. And now it's power off. Just right click on it, clone it, and now it's simple. Mm, I'm going to choose a directory which is here. Let's see. So and now select it, next, finish. After finishing, it will totally clone it. But now I have already a clone backup, so I don't need this. So I'm going to cancel this. Now we are going to create the TurtleBot right now. Mm, Okay, now we have installed our ROS installation. Now we need to run the terminal again for our TurtleBot installation. So first we need to start our master core and just run this ROS core, and in another one we need to just run this, and we can see this turtle core simulation. So now what we are going to do, we need to make it move, and for this we are creating going the document and open the terminal again, and in this terminal we are going to make directory for our work. So make directory, and here, and we are going to go inside of this. So, and we are inside, and here we are going to create the control package. So we are in source, and now we're going to create the controller package here. Now we have the controller package right now here, and now we need to go back to our main directory, and as we can see now here, and then we need to get key make. So we are going to build the package here, and our package are being made. Now we need to register this. Yeah, so just registered. Now we need to go to this catching source and turtle sim cleaner source and move.py. So here source, so there is nothing. Now we need to create a folder called move.py. So touch move.py, and now we go into this, and then what we need to do is copy paste all of our code from move.py. So we're going to just copy paste this, and paste. Ambient edition is important here. Now we're going to save this and close it. Now we have the Python file, and now we need to run this. Okay, so for running this we need to go to the main root file. So we're going to go to root file from here. Okay, now we're in root file, and here basically, and we need to create this, and now we have this. Now we need to run this, but there will be a problem when we are going to run this, because this won't find this. Okay, so what we need to do, the change the permission. Okay, now we can see this. Now what we are going to do, let's see why it can't. Okay, just go there, open the terminal, and after opening the terminal, what we're going to do is just the state. So what is the state? So we are going to do this, and we don't have the permission to execute this file. So what we are going to do is just copy this command chmod ALL plus x, which will let us to um, execute the file, and now we are going. Okay, now we have changed our directory and permission. After changing the permission, we need to go back to our main root file and then run this executed file again, and then we need to run this command ROS run turtle sim cleaner move.py, and then we can see our move.py. Now we setting speed 2, then type distance 4 forward. Yes, so it's going to forward. Okay, now let's control C this, and after that we run this again, and speed now let's have 4, type distance 2, and forward no, so this is going backward. So like this we can handle the turtle sim. So this was our whole installation and others, and thank you everyone for listening to us. And so this is it. Yeah, I will put this to the link, and thank you everyone.